Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my ClickBank series. This is day number 18. If you would, please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button right below. That way you'll get notified every time when I make a new video. Also, if you like this video, please do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. Now, what I'm doing is I'm doing a case study on ClickBank and promoting the ClickBank products with a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. What My Lead Gen Secrets is, it's a platform where you can get 100 leads every single day for $1. So with one account, you can get 100 leads. The case studies that I've seen before I started this, they've had a minimum of 5 accounts. Some of them even had 7 accounts. I'm just going to do it with 2 accounts and see what kind of success we could have with just 2 accounts. Now, why did they sign up so many accounts? Well, the more the merrier. But there's a little trick. If I sign in to My Lead Gen Secrets, it always does that. Makes me sign in twice. First off, the link to get here to My Lead Gen Secrets is right below this video. Same for ClickBank. We're going to be going over ClickBank here in a minute. But to get signed up for here, just click on the link right below, and it'll bring you to that first screen. You'll just get signed up or whatever. After you sign up your first account, they have a link right here. This is your affiliate link. So now to sign up another account, you're just going to copy this link right here, and you're just going to paste it into a new tab just like that and hit enter, and it's going to take you back to the screen where I was just at. Now you're going to hit use my secret now, and you're going to sign up, fill out your email, fill out the little form to get signed up. Whenever you do it that way, your first account over here will now get 100 bonus leads every single day. So now this one gets 200 leads every single day, while your other one will still get 100 leads. So for $2, since I got 2 accounts, that's $2 a day. I am getting 300 leads every single day. So with that being said, I'm going to check my ClickBank, see if we had any sales yesterday. Oh, wow, we actually got one. Right here, $12.11. Ballin'. All right, so now I'm going to click on account nickname, either one, it don't matter. And it's going to open up a new tab. I'm just going to close out this other tab because I don't need it. And for the current week, we just made $12.11. And you know what's crazy? These down here were the $12.11. I think this sale came from an old email because I wasn't promoting this product for this week. So I think this is one of them old emails we done sent. You see these $12.11 right here? Whenever I was promoting that product that week, I think somebody finally checked their email and seen it. I'm going to click up here on reporting, check some stats real quick. And yep, it happened to be another social paid app because the one I'm promoting this week is this Ride Apps, and I've already gotten one sale. So so that's cool. So see, sending out emails, just because I sent out emails yesterday don't mean that everybody checked them yesterday. This guy didn't even check his emails for over a week. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to click on tracking ID, see which account it came from. And that sale, I think that one came from my second account as well. Oh, nope, that came from my first account. They got on flip-flop. My second one used to be on top, now my second one's on bottom. All right, so that's good news. I need to keep track of my hops. I need to go back. 4729. Something's not right. 4729. Let's see, a big old whopping $12.11. 4729. I still don't understand how my hops went down from day 16 to day 17. I still don't understand that. Oh well. All right, so now I'm gonna go send out some more emails. So in order to do that, I'm gonna click up here at the very top where it says Marketplace. I'm gonna click on that, and over here on the far left where my mouse cursor is, they're gonna pop up some categories. The leads that we get, the 100 leads that we get every single day, they are leads. They are people who have filled out their name and email addresses on websites where they're trying to make money online. So the only category that these leads will work for is e-business and e-marketing. It will not work for any other category, just e-business and e-marketing, just for that reason, because they're trying to make money online. So we're going to click on that product. Let me delete that. So I'm going to click on e-business and e-marketing, that category, not product. All right, and we're going to sort by gravity. And this is what we're promoting this week. We're almost done. This Right App reviews. So I'm going to right click on affiliate page and open link in new tab. All right. Now I'm going to click on email swipes right here. Now I'm going to come back to my mailing system. Now I'm going to click on the word mailing system up here. It's going to bring me to this tab. I'm going to click on select all. And it's going to select all of my leads. So 30,800 leads I'm about to email. The last email I sent, the subject was, I'm waiting for you to open this. So I'm going to see what email that was. These are different emails. That's why I had to look at it like, what in the world is this? That's crazy. Like, this is really, I think they might have wrote some different emails. I was literally complaining about their emails saying that they were whack the other day. You know what? Screw it. I'm just going to pick a random one. Number 7. Do you want to work independently? I'm going to copy that subject. These are all brand new emails. They have 20 emails. I know they didn't have 20 emails yesterday. They really just redid all this. But that's smart because I wasn't feeling some of them emails they were writing. Let me make sure I clicked on the right one. Yeah, it said Right Apps reviews up here. Yep, that's crazy. All right, I'm going to continue on. Sorry about that. All right, so I'm going to hit the subject. So I'm going to paste this right here in this box. Do you want to work independently? I'm going to come back and copy the body down here. Do not copy this hop link. Just stop right here where it says signature. And I'm going to hit copy. Now I'm going to delete everything in this box right here. And I'm going to paste my body right there in that box right there. I like to do this little 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trick. I'll write that out 4 times. And the reason for that is I don't want my email to stretch too far past that. So after the word based, I'm going to start a new line. So now I'm going to copy all this, and I just like to do this in my notepad. For me, it's easier. You can do this however you want. You can even leave your emails that long if you want. I just don't recommend it because it's hard to look at when you're on your phone and stuff like that. So after the word based, I'm just going to start a new line just like that. I hit the backspace. This is exactly what I did. Hold up. It was like that. I put my cursor right in front of the word in. I hit the backspace and I just hit enter. Right in front of please, backspace, enter. Backspace, enter. Backspace, enter. And that's it. Now I'm just going to copy this I'm going to hit Control A to select all that's in this box, and I'm going to delete that. I'm going to paste what I just copied. Now this email looks more professionally written. It's don't have lines stretching out all the way across this area right here. So now we need to start filling in some of these things, like where it says name, we need to put a little code in up here. If you scroll up, they have these codes here: first name, last name, email address, IP address, sign up date, and it has a full name. We just want to take the first name. Anytime it says name, just grab the first name, copy that, Control C. Come down here where it says name, hit Control V. And then where it says signature, you will type in your name. Make sure this box is checked that says perfect timing. Now we got to do the important part. We need to get our affiliate link and paste it in this email so they can click on it and hopefully buy from that link, and then that's when you get paid. So to do that, we're going to come back to the ClickBank tab. We're not going to the affiliate tab. We're coming all the way over here back to this page over here to our marketplace. We're promoting right at reviews. So we're going to click on promote. Now this is required. You have to have your account nickname in there. So make sure that the account nickname that you are using is in that box. Now this is optional. Like at the beginning, I had those two accounts, MLGS1 and MLGS2. That's because I have two accounts and I'm just tracking which account is making the sales, which account is getting hops and stuff like that. Since this is my first account, I'll just put MLGS for my lead gen secret. And then I'll just click right here, create hop link. So there's your affiliate link. If you don't put a tracking link, you just make sure the account name is correct. Then you'll just hit create hop link and it's the same thing. It'll give you a link down here. And to the far right, there's a button that looks just like this one, but it says copy. My head's covering up. But you will just click that button and it'll show you that your hop link has been copied. So now we're going to come back to the mailing system and try to find a good place to insert this. So right here where it says click here to apply, you're going to highlight that like that. Then you're going to come up here to this little link right here, or you can hit Control L. Either way, it's going to bring up this box. Now you're going to take your link and you're going to post it right here in this box. And then you're going to click OK. Now before you send this email, there's the send button. To the right of this, there's a button that says preview. It's a red button. You can't miss it. If you click the preview button, make sure that your link is working and that you actually posted your link inside of that email. All right, it's sent. Now we're going to hit send email. Now we can't send any more emails to this list for another 23 hours. So now I'm going to hop over to my second list and do the exact same thing, except for I'm going to make it a little bit more simple. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to right click up here where it says mailing list, right click and then hit duplicate. It's going to open a new tab right here. Now for some reason it don't have the logout button. Okay, there we go. If it don't have the logout button, just click up here for some reason. It does that from time to time. Now, on the page that you just duplicated, you're just going to log out. Now you're going to log right back in with your second account. Now, as you can see, this one only gets 100 leads every single day because I haven't signed anyone up underneath it. So, we're going to click on mailing system, select all. This one has 15,500 leads. For the subject, we're just going to come back up here to the other tab that we just duplicated from. We're going to copy the subject from there. Come right back over here. Hit paste. Scroll down, erase everything in that email body. Come over to the first tab. Scroll down. Copy everything in there. Hit Control A to select all. And then hit Control C to copy. Come back over. Hit Control V to paste. Click perfect timing. Preview to make sure that the link works. And for the people that are tracking, if you're not tracking, you can go ahead and hit send email. If you are tracking, double click this blue line right here and it'll open this up again. And at the very end, since this is my second account, I just like to put a number 2. You could do it however you want to do it, tracking wise, but that's how you would do it if you're just adding numbers at the end for whichever account you're on, like I am. So this is my second account. I put the 2 back there. That's okay. So I'm going to hit send email. All right. And that is it. That's all we have to do with this program. So come back and see me tomorrow and we'll check on my results. You all have an excellent day. I'm having a good day so far. Got a full belly. Had a good dinner. But you all have a good one. You all take care. I will see you all tomorrow. Good night.